Wike revoked a family land in Abuja and gave it to Justice Omotosho, and that is just the simple truth. So, Biafrans, good morning once again from here. There are just two things I'm bringing up here today. One is the case of our Prime Minister, and the second is the case of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. So, but let me just quickly go to the case of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu has asked his lawyers to step down so that he can be able to defend himself. And defending himself before Justice Omotosho, I want to tell you that Justice Omotosho is not a nice person. He's not a good man. Justice Omotosho has handled high-profile cases in Nigeria, which was politically motivated. And that is a simple truth. And Justice Omotosho is Wike's best friend. Secondly, Wike revoked a family land in Abuja and gave it to Justice Omotosho, and that is just the simple truth. So, by the reason of our supreme leaders kidnapped from Kenya, Nigeria has lost the jurisdiction of trying Nnamdi Kanu. And realistically, I must be honest to you, if Nigeria continues to try Nnamdi Kanu, they are committing act of terrorism because it's enshrined in their constitution and is enshrined in UN Charter. So Nigeria has no jurisdiction of trying Nnamdi Kanu. So apparently what they are doing is buying time, wasting his time. This case will linger for another 1 year. You will see they start adjoining. Every month they are joined because they don't have anything against him. They don't have what to say against him or what to bring against him. They don't have anything substantial against Nnamdi Kanu. So this Nnamdi Kanu's case is highly profiled, and no judge should ever try to take this case up because they will destroy their name, except if they don't have any good reputation, like Justice Omotosho does not have any good reputation. Go and read about Justice Omotosho has influenced so many wrong judgments in Nigeria, and they were all politically motivated, including the general election that brought the illegitimate president of Nigeria in 2023. So these are just what is going on in Nigeria. And Biafrans, I want you to know that anything that is happening today in Nigeria is for our own good. And I'm telling you the truth. The whole crisis happening in Rivers State is for our own good. And the world is taking note of whatever that we are telling them today. And they are confirming it. And finally, the judgment will be passed very soon to Nigerians. Believe you me. On the issue of our Prime Minister, Biafrans, you people have been disturbing me about this, and I must tell you the simple truth, because anything you hear here is just the simple truth. I'm going to tell Biafrans the truth today, and they shouldn't be very distant. Now, number one is that the Nigerian government brought allegations on our Prime Minister that was really weighty allegations, and these allegations were very weighty, but the spoiler alert is they don't have any evidence to back it up. That is the spoiler alert. So now, they gave Finland 6 months to provide evidences against the, crime that they said our Prime Minister committed, and that 6 months is May. Now, realistically, the Finnish authorities are really waiting for that May to pass their judgment. And that is why none of Nigerian terrorist agents is in Finland, and they cannot come to defend anything in Finland because they don't have anything against Mazi Simon Ekpa, just like as they don't have anything against Nnamdi Kanu. So whatever they are doing today, the world is seeing it, and they are taking record. And all the things that the Biafrans sent to the Finnish authority has been recorded. Believe you me, that is just a simple truth. Everything that you see today on social media, they know and they see it. So our leader will join us as soon as any other person thinks. And I'm serious this time around. The realistic thing on ground is that the world knows who we are today. The world knows Biafra now. The people that are calling themselves fall back to Bribe, they can continue to fall back while we continue to move forward. I want to use this opportunity again. I'm not trying to catapult anybody to any level. To follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's, or rather Mazi Simon Ekpa's surrogate, which is Madam Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, Our Excellency. That is the only person we should follow today. I want to ask Biafrans, why did Ogenkere and his group brought out a memo on how to overthrow the government, overthrow Mazi Simon Ekpa, just a day after they heard that he was invited by the Finnish authority? What was in their mind? Why are they not giving you, Biafran, that donated money, your account? Why Mazi Simon Ekpa called for that same account to come, for that same Ogenkere to come and do accounts? Ogenkere never answered our prime minister. Dr. Orabueze did so. Ogenkere never attended. So what is that they are hiding in that account that they don't want Biafrans to know? And that is the question you continue to ask these people and keep asking them. Because if they did not know what happened to our prime minister, you know, I really don't like to talk about these people. And I don't talk about them. If they don't know what happened to our prime minister, they would have waited for him to come out. And they would, if there was anything our DPM is doing, they would report her to the prime minister. If I have any grudges, I can't go and start fighting our prime minister, our deputy prime minister today. I will wait, because I know our prime minister will soon be coming out. I will wait until the last day, and then I will now call our prime minister. This is what your surrogate has been doing. I think that would have been the better and the best approach. Why fighting Ngozi Orabueze? Every time they come on social media, they don't have any other thing to say than Ngozi is a Fulani woman. Orabu Fulani, Orabu Fulani, Orabu Fulani. This is how they have been conducting themselves in a very stupid manner and a very uncivilized manner. These people that are calling a woman a Fulani woman, have they seen her with Fulanis before? Eating or drinking like P2B has been doing? Have they? Just because this woman redeclared Biafra before the 2nd of December, that is their problem, because they wanted to scatter what they were doing, because the Nigerian terrorist government have paid them to do so, but they were not able to achieve it. And that's why they are fighting her. That is the reason why they are fighting her. And I am not ready to fight any one of them. But if you cross my path, Allah, I will crush you people. You don't know who I am. I think most of you are just ignorance of the fact that you just see people on social media and you just make noise over them. If you cross me, one lie, I will crush you. Because all of you are animals. You are very heartless. Some of you that claim that you don't like to see my video, please block me. You don't even need to hear what I'm saying. But I'll continue to nail the truth. Because you people are very bad people and evil people. Evil. Why did Ogenkere not wait till our prime minister comes out? Why did Sonia Parawa not wait till our prime minister comes out? Okay, if Ngozi is this bad, they should have waited and said, oh, prime minister, this woman has done this, has done that. And prime minister will take it into his record and check the internet and see that indeed Ngozi has done such, and then maybe remove her from the position she is and put Ogenkere there. Why are you fighting this woman tooth and nail to bring her down? Because she declared Biafra. Because the government paid you. And I keep challenging you, Ogenkere, if you know that you were never paid, come and debunk it. Come and debunk it. Come on national TV and debunk it. You can't just stay there and be confusing people and be deceiving people. You can't. Because you know what you have done. Because all of you are scared that a woman has taken the leadership mantle. And she's doing it wonderfully well. Ogenkere claimed that he is talking to the men on ground, and in December till January, he said to us, to the public, that he asked our soldiers to cease fire to prove a point to Biafra that Ngozi Orabueze works with the Fulani. And that is when the Nigerian agents came into our land and massacred people, destroyed life, shoot people to kill them, go to different villages. Ogenkere, you people are wicked, heartless. And you are here fighting this woman, Ngozi Orabueze. She's your problem. I didn't say Ngozi Orebeze is a legendary, she's a god. If I start seeing any deviation, I will back out, I will back off, because you can't buy me with money. You can't. Nobody on this earth can buy me with money. Nnamdi Kanu is paying the price. Our prime minister is also paying the price. So why should I be the one to give up? Why? You claim that Orebeze is a bad woman, then wait. Our prime minister is not dead. He's not. He's not. I mean, what is all this nonsense trying to deceive Biafrans? Biafrans should take note. If Orebeze is doing anything, be writing it down. When the main person that put her there comes, then you report her with evidence and facts. I think that would have been a better approach than fighting her. I think that would have been a better approach. You are there because they have paid you money to destroy Biafra, confusing our people, trying to destroy our minds. For those gullible ones, it will never be well with all of you. It will never be well with all of you. Believe you me. Some of you will come and be writing rubbish on my platform. I don't think you people have sense. And I see one lady that was saying that they paid money to arrest Ngozi Orebeze and that they will soon arrest her. I think you are stupid. There's something wrong with your head. You did see the poverty in Nigeria to address it. You did not see Rivers' problem to address it. It is Ngozi Orebeze problem that you are the arrest that you are seeing. Most of you, I think the problem in Nigeria is just poverty. Because most of you are so poor that you will listen to such people that they don't have anything to offer. You did not see that, you didn't see 2027 election coming, who is going to be the president. You did not see the hunger in the land, the inflation of the dollar, when it's coming down. You didn't see all of that. You didn't see Tinubu, what is going to happen to him in the next coming days. It is Ngozi Orebeze that you are seeing. Because you have stupid people listening to you. I want to warn these people using my name on social media to do evil, to threaten people. This is from it. Because the day I will rise up to start looking for all of you, believe you me, you can never escape it. Because you don't know how much you don't know how big, you don't know how people, you come to threaten people like us. I don't think you people you don't have sense. Most of you don't have sense. So stop threatening Ngozi Orebeze. Stop threatening any of their cabinet members. Because you people cannot stand when they are talking. Dear friends, I want to tell you that our Prime Minister will soon join us. And this time around, I'm not joking, because the case, I followed that case from the beginning till now coming to the end. So there is nothing on this earth I don't know. There is nothing I don't know. So all this nonsense that they're telling you people about, I came here to tell you that our Lisa, Mazi Simon Ekpa, can never be extradited to Nigeria. Did it not happen? Did it not happen? Oh, okay, you people think that you are still waiting for, is it May? After May, then they will bring him back to Nigeria. That is impossible. Believe you me, they are releasing him very soon. Not like releasing him from prison or from anywhere, but letting him to join and go and defend his Biafra, because he has made a statement and he has proved his point. Nigeria has not done anything. All the people lying to you people on media, they have not done anything. The only thing that they did was to write, and other countries supported them. To write stupid petition that they cannot come and defend. Other countries back them. It is those countries that is backing them that they are hoping on to come and defend them. That is it. Very corrupt. You can see how corrupt Tinubu is. And Wike. Destroying Nigeria. Two people who destroying this country called Nigeria. And you want me to come and sugarcoat my words. God will punish all of you that are wicked and heartless. You come and challenge me again, I will tell you the way I am. You morons. Biafrans, may God bless you all and keep on the right track. The right track is Madam Ngozi Orebeze. I am not shaking. I am not fidgeting saying it. If I see Madam Ngozi Orebeze doing a 360 U-turn, I already know we'll back out. But for now, she is still the person you must go and listen to, because Simon Ekpa put her there. Thank you, Biafrans, and may God bless you all.
House and understand the need to unite Biafra together. How can you people split or divide what Simon Ekpa and many of us have built for years? And you people expect people like me to start supporting you people. It doesn't work that way now. It doesn't work that way. Unless you people come down from your high horse, and unite Biafrans together, we are chasing only one thing, our freedom.
Yeah, I keep you updated. I give you all the latest happening all over the globe. In fact, I bring the world closer to your doorstep. Without not wasting much of your time, let us go into the reason why we are here. 2 weeks ago, I made a video and I said another group, third group, is going to emerge outside Dr. Ngozi and Mr. Ogekere. A lot of people were telling me that I don't know what I am saying. See, I am the true prophetess. In fact, if I talk, before I dey talk, I reason everything and I add 1 + 2 together. A lot of persons said, no way, there will never be any other group. I said because this kata kitty kitty, a lot of people don't want to work with Dr. Ngozi. Neither did they want to work with Mr. Ogekere. They said, I don't know what I'm talking about. Here comes the third group. These are brother, as you all know, QTV. He finally made the biggest step. He said anybody that is ready for the freedom of Biafra should add himself or herself to the group, of which he dropped a link on Telegram. As I'm talking to you, a lot of Biafrans are making U-turn already to go and join this group on Telegram. Bitter Truth Group. He dropped the link on his platform. I'm not telling you now. I told you people that third group will emerge. I said, but I don't really know the person that is going to front this third group. But with what I am seeing, they suspect, say, these people, they are not ready to work with Mr. Ogekere because, come on, they not trust them. They say, no, they are not going there anymore. Since the time that Yahoo came out to talk about Dr. Ngozi that is not getting money from him, a lot of them say, if not so, third group go emerge. We no longer want to work with Dr. Ngozi. They were thinking that these people has packed to meet Mr. Ogekere. Now lie. I said it before. I said these people that are moving away from the deputy prime minister, they are not going to join Mr. Ogekere. They don't want to work with him. They don't trust his movement. I said these people, they want to go and form the third group. Here comes the big blow. Finally, make una dey look around now. People are coming to front this third group. I am telling you what I am seeing. When I told you people about this third group, una dey talk, I don't know what I dey talk. Now the third group is here. In fact, I really want you to listen to the message that this our brother passed before finally bringing out this third group. And I'll be right back.
I have come again because some people are worried about my decision over the ongoing situation on ground. I don't have a problem with anybody. Only that all of us know how these issues happened and how it started. And people like me believe in Biafra freedom. I'm not here to destroy anybody, or to damage anybody, or to blackmail anybody. All my wish is today is for us to get Biafra and let us go home. On 5th of December 2004, all of you know how everything started. There's no need of telling you the story. It started from accountability. From there, they start to expand from one issue to another. And people like me now, I have checked all these things, all this saga, and we know the people that invent this issue, the division among us right now. They have divided us into two, caused many havoc, many blackmail, many propagandas, many lies is flying, misinformation everywhere. And people like me have checked all these things and just understand that all these people, all these individuals that are in their high horse, if only they will come down from their high horse and understand the need to unite Biafra together. How can you people split or divide what Simon Ekpa and many of us have built for years? And you people expect people like me to start supporting you people. It doesn't work that way now. It doesn't work that way. Unless you people come down from your high horse, and unite Biafrans together, we are chasing only one thing, our freedom. Let us come together and fight together as one body. Division among us is causing many things, many damages among us. I call it just like self-destruction. And this is what Nigeria government have. The reason why Nigeria government kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu. Finland is detaining Simon Ekpa. And the same thing also is happening right now in our midst. We are doing the will of these our enemies who kidnap our leader, who detain our leader. How long must we continue to understand this fact? That this division is not taking us to anywhere. And why I withdraw my support from any of these people, because they are also the one that is energizing these gullibles to kill themselves. It is self-destruction. We want to destroy ourselves by, we are doing now the work of the enemies. This self-destruction, me, QTV, I will not be part of it. I'm not here to destroy any Biafra or any person, my own blood and flesh. I will not do it. Until you people understand the fight to come together, because together we stand. This divide and rule system, it will not work. Because you people want to kill yourself. For me, that is why I'm withdrawing myself from everybody. I don't want to be part of this self-destruction. I want to save life because I know I can fight daily. I don't want to, to use my ability, my strength to destroy my fellow Biafran. That is why I focus now on Nigeria issue, on Nigeria matter. How are we going to bring Nigeria down is my problem, not how we are going to fight each other. Who is relevant, who is not, who is important, who is not. Me, QTV, me, myself, I will not be part of this destruction, this self-destruction. This is what I see, self-destruction. And I will not be part of it. That is why I'm doing this video. And in the issue of Biafra Liberation Army, I may talk about it later because the danger I see on that and why I'm shouting on it.
Hey, all right, so my people, what did I know? I'm just here to keep it real. I'm just here to let a lot of people know that there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because now here for they happen. All the latest information, the Oborega news, the ones that you have not heard before, now here for the touch ground. What is your take now on this issue? After all, a lot of Biafran people come and see the gbas they were giving to him. They said, no, we are not following you. Oh my goodness. Some say, oh, if it's true that you want to do it accordingly like Simon Ekpa, we will join you. So my people, as I said before, I'm just here to keep everybody, every information, every update. I'm just here to keep it real. I'm just here to let my people know that a lot of things they happen where they say they see. And I Progress the Analyst, they make you they see them. So please subscribe and do well to share our videos. Thank you so much. And